Hello, Ms. Buchanan's Algebra 1A class. This is May 4th, and this is due May 4th, so if you didn't get it in yet, hopefully you're getting it in as soon as possible. So I'm going to go through the odd ones with you, and you could have a exponent calculator. You could look one up. Symbolab is a good one. What I'm saying here is Symbolab, in case you want to check yourself before you turn it in. So that'll help out a lot. So we are to simplify, and your answer should contain only positive exponents. So basically all we're doing is we are getting rid of the negative exponents on this activity here. So in order to get rid of this -3 exponent, I got to move what it is with, the x, below the line for the fraction. So it's going to move to the denominator. So the 2 can stay above as the numerator. And if I move this below, that gets rid of the negative exponent. So I have 2 over x to the 3rd power. This whole thing, x to the -3, is going to move below. I need something above. If I don't have anything above to put up there, I put a 1. So I have 1 over x to the 3rd. 5, the 4 stays as the numerator. The n to the -4th goes below to the denominator and becomes n to the 4th. Number 7, the 2 stays above as a numerator. The x to the -3 and the y to the -2 go below as the denominator and become x to the 3rd and y to the 2nd. And hopefully you're pausing this as we're going through this. Number 9, the 2 and the v4 stay above as a numerator. The only thing that's going to go below for the denominator is the u -1, and it just becomes u. You could put a little 1 there, but everything is to the 1st power. We don't put the 1st power because you don't need to see it. Here we needed to see the -1 because we had to know it gave us direction to put it down as a denominator. For number 11, I have 4, and the q4 is going to be as the numerator. And then down below I have m to the 4th. 13, the 2 stays up and the y to the 3rd stays up as the numerators, and x to the -3 goes below to the denominator and becomes x to the 3rd. And lastly, number 15, the pm squared stays up top, and going down for the numerator, or down to the denominator, is n to the -1st, which just becomes n, which is n to the 1st. I hope this was helpful, and like I said, if you need help, go to Symbolab and go to their exponent calculator. Exponent calculator at Symbolab. Choose the one, if you just Google exponent calculator and choose the Symbolab, it'll help you out. It'll help you out on your next assignment too.